Now, on today's announcement from Moderna that the drug maker's coronavirus vaccine is roughly 95% effective in its late-stage clinical trial. Like Pfizer, which announced similar results last week, Moderna says the first doses could be ready to ship next month.
But there are still a lot of questions about how that will be done. We have a team of reporters covering this story for you tonight. Dr. Malika Marshall looks at why the Moderna vaccine may be more promising than Pfizer's and whether we should trust it. But first, let's go to Louisa Moller. She's live in Cambridge tonight. And Louisa, these results are better than regulators had hoped for.
Yeah, David, Dr. Anthony Fauci says you really need two things, an effective vaccine and then for people to take it. This is step one. And now the company will likely seek emergency use authorization from the FDA in the next few weeks.
Beyond expectations to have two vaccines now that are not close to 95% effective.
Moderna now joining Pfizer with great vaccine news. The Cambridge company reporting its vaccine in a stage 3 clinical trial is 94.5% effective against the coronavirus.
Being a part of the solution to try to, bring this thing to a halt was pretty gratifying for me.
History in the making for Jack Morningstar, one of 30,000 participants to receive a double dose of the vaccine or placebo, and cautious optimism from Brigham and Women's Dr. Lindsay Baden, who served as a principal investigator on the study. Is this vaccine safe?
What we can say is to date, no safety concerns have been identified. And that is terrific news.
But the race for a COVID-19 vaccine has raised safety concerns and skepticism among some Americans.
Good morning, everyone.
Enter community leaders like Roxbury Presbyterian Church Reverend Liz Walker.
As you know, our community and many other communities that are disproportionately suffering from this virus also have trust issues. We don't trust health care. We don't trust authorities. We've been through hell.
That's why Walker will soon invite her congregation and more to an online conversation with Dr. Anthony Fauci.
I want them to know that I'm going to work really hard to get facts and truth out to them, which is what I try to do every Sunday morning.
The data was reviewed by an independent panel of scientists, and Moderna hopes to ship out 1 billion doses of the vaccine globally in 2021. We're live in Cambridge, Louisa Moller, WBZ News.
All right, Louisa, thank you. Now,